First step, stretch the rubber seal and install it all around the can. Then, glue the seal on the four corners. Next, remove the four screws that hold the fan in place and make sure to lay it gently on the side of the machine. The fins are very sharp. Take your precautions. Next, unscrew the water inlet pipe. Only the one at the bottom. The one at the top will serve as support when removing the bottom of the can. With a cutter adapted to this kind of clamp, carefully cut the bottom clamp. Then unscrew the four screws that hold the can in place. With a heat gun, heat the end of the pipe you want to remove. Only heat the end to avoid tearing. It will then be easy to remove the base by pulling it towards you. Now comes the time to remove the metal belt. For this, a long enough impact socket will do the job. The base of the can is now accessible, so remove it carefully. The base is now removed without having to remove the refrigerant gas. Next, take the new base of the cane and install it in the same direction as the top cane. Install a new collar on the lower pipe, and using the heat gun, heat only the end, which will allow you to insert the pipe into the cane. Once the pipe is inserted, use a clamp suitable for the tightening collar and secure the collar firmly. Then replace the three screws that hold the cane. Place the first screw and do not tighten it all the way to ensure you have enough leeway to place the other two in their respective holes. Once in position, securely tighten all three screws. Now it's time to put the belt back on. Remember to always use a new T-bolt and a new nut. Place the cane in position and add a weight on top to make the task easier. Next, place the T-bolt in position. Tip: use a screwdriver to prevent the T-bolt from coming out while screwing. Securely tighten in place with the impact. Then put the fan back in its position and make sure nothing catches the fan blade wires. Reattach the four screws of the fan grill. As the last step, just retighten the inlet pipe connector and your work is done.